If you're a content creator, action sports enthusiast, or just someone passionate about cutting-edge camera gear, you're in for a treat today. After months of rumors, teasers, and intense speculation, DJI has finally unveiled the full specifications. For its next-generation 360 camera, the highly anticipated DJI OSMO 360. The details we've all been eagerly waiting for, including the all-important sensor specs, are now official. Thanks to a leaked listing first spotted by tech tipster Jasper Ellens and later verified by DroneXL.in, this in-depth breakdown will explore every confirmed feature, compare it with existing models in the market, and dig into why the DJI OSMO 360 might just be a game-changer for immersive content creators and professional videographers alike. A massive leap in sensor technology. Let's kick things off with what truly sets the OSMO 360 apart from the competition. Its sensor setup. DJI has officially confirmed that the OSMO 360 will be equipped with dual 1-inch sensors. That's right, not one, but two massive 1-inch sensors on a 360 camera. This marks a significant leap over the 1/2.3 and even the 1/1.7 sensors used in many current 360 degrees cams like the Insta360 X3 and GoPro Max. These large sensors are matched with a bright f/1.9 aperture on each lens, which means you'll get phenomenal low-light performance, enhanced clarity, and better depth across a wide range of environments. Whether you're shooting at dusk, in dynamic indoor lighting, or at night, the OSMO 360 is designed to handle it with minimal grain and sharp detail. Dual 1-inch sensors also lead to improved image stitching, meaning fewer distortions and more accurate 360 degrees mapping. This is crucial for VR creators and cinematic vloggers who demand professional-grade results. 8K 360-degree recording and pro-level color science. Now let's talk about what this beast can do in terms of video, thanks to a new pixel architecture built around 2.4 micron pixels. DJI claims the OSMO 360 can record in a staggering 8K resolution, specifically, 8K 360 degrees video with a massive 77% improvement in quality compared to typical 5.7K output, whether you're creating cinematic travel vlogs, immersive VR content, or just ultra-high-definition action clips. This level of resolution pushes the OSMO 360 into professional territory. DJI is also incorporating 10-bit color depth across both 360 and regular shooting modes. That, combined with support for D-Log-M, gives content creators maximum control during color grading and post-production. You can recover highlights, pull shadows, and maintain rich contrast with unprecedented flexibility, ideal for filmmakers and advanced YouTubers. High frame rate and ultra-wide field of view options. Flexibility is key when it comes to action and vlogging cameras, and DJI knows it.in single lens mode. You can shoot 4K at 120 frames per second with a super wide 170 degrees FOV, ideal for slow motion action shots. 5K at 60 frames per second with a slightly narrower but still impressive 155 degrees FOV, perfect for more cinematic sequences. When shooting in full 360 mode, users can enjoy 6K at 60 frames per second, which balances performance and file size beautifully. Or shoot smooth, slow motion in 4K at 100 frames per second, great for creating engaging B-roll or dynamic sports content. DJI's engineering also ensures the camera stays cool during extended high-resolution shoots, thanks to its chunky yet functional design that enhances heat dissipation. This means fewer shutdowns due to overheating, a big plus for travel vloggers and outdoor adventurers. Battery life and magnetic mounting. Battery life is another major selling point. The OSMO 360 delivers around 100 minutes of 8K recording at 30 frames per second on a single charge. For those who need longer run times, an optional battery grip extension boosts performance up to 180 minutes. That's a solid 3 hours of continuous 8K capture. The magnetic quick-release system makes the camera highly modular and easy to work with. It supports standard 1/4-inch threading for tripods or mounts, and also includes magnetic charging for seamless power-ups. This ecosystem is compatible with existing OSMO action accessories, making it easier than ever to switch gear mid-shoot without a cumbersome setup. Hands-free recording and intelligent audio. One standout feature is the full hands-free control system. Imagine recording your adventures, POV biking vlogs, or sports runs with simple gesture controls, even with gloves on. DJI has added voice control too, so you can start and stop recording just by speaking. This level of convenience is a big win for solo vloggers and action camera fans who need their hands free. On the audio side, DJI introduces the new OSMO audio system, allowing simultaneous input from 2 DJI mic transmitters. That means you can record interviews or dual-host content without syncing audio in post. There's also ambient audio backup recorded directly through the internal mic, giving your edits more natural sound depth. However, be aware that first-gen DJI mics are not compatible, so you'll need the latest gear for full functionality. Smart Fitness Data Overlay for sports creators. For fitness vloggers and outdoor athletes, this feature is gold. The OSMO 360 supports performance data overlays from Apple Watch, Garmin, and other Fit-File-compatible devices. You can display speed, elevation, heart rate, and more directly over your footage. It's the perfect match for cycling content, hiking adventures, or even drone fly-alongs. Naturally, DJI includes Horizon Steady 360. This stabilization technology keeps your horizon perfectly level, no matter how intense the action gets. Flips, spins, twists, and all. Invisible selfie stick, vlogging capabilities, and more. Of course, no DJI 360 camera would be complete without support for the invisible selfie stick. While it's not part of the base kit, it's available in the Adventure Bundle or as a separate accessory. This allows creators to produce the iconic floating camera effect that's become a staple of high-end 360 content. The OSMO 360 is clearly designed with creators in mind, offering versatile recording options, smart stabilization, excellent low-light capability, and advanced color controls. Whether you're doing cinematic travel shots or fast-paced sports edits, this camera delivers. Now let's switch gears and talk about DJI's other upcoming innovation, the DJI OSMO Nano. Set to launch on July 23, 2025, this new compact wearable action camera is aimed squarely at rivals like the GoPro Hero 11 Black Mini and the Insta360 Go 3S. What makes it unique? A fully modular magnetic design inspired by the DJI Action 2, but this time, DJI is fixing past issues like overheating and awkward usability. According to leaks, the OSMO Nano features a top module housing the camera and lens, possibly with upgraded optics. A bottom module with a battery, control buttons, a micro screen, and maybe audio hardware like speakers or mic vents. This wearable action cam can magnetically mount to your chest via a neck lanyard, making it ideal for hands-free first-person content. Features, build and performance expectations. The OSMO Nano is expected to deliver 4K recording at 120 fps, a 1-inch CMOS sensor, Rocksteady 3.0 plus stabilization, and Horizon Steady. In short, it's being developed as a small but powerful POV cam with a premium build. And with FCC filings confirming two separate model numbers, one for the camera unit and one for the display module, modularity is a sure thing. Wireless connectivity will use spread spectrum technology, promising efficient power use and longer battery life via add-on modules. Durability, however, remains a key concern. Modular gear is typically more vulnerable to wear and tear. DJI will need to strike a balance between portability and ruggedness, especially for users who plan to take it mountain biking, snowboarding, or off-roading. Final thoughts. The OSMO 360, a feature-rich 360-degree camera with 8K recording, pro-level sensors, advanced color grading options, and unmatched stabilization, perfect for creators wanting cinematic footage in every direction.